Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is renter's insurance? Renter's insurance provides financial protection to tenants of a rented home, like a house or an apartment. It covers three main areas: personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. Personal property covers your belongings, such as furniture, electronics, small appliances, shoes, and clothing, against risks like fire, theft, lightning, windstorm, certain types of water damage, etc., up to a predetermined limit. For example, if your TV is stolen or your furniture is damaged in a fire, renter's insurance can help cover the cost. Renter's insurance may also cover personal property when you're away from home. For instance, your gaming console gets stolen from your car, or your laptop gets stolen while you're on vacation. Liability protection covers legal expenses and medical bills for a guest's injuries while in your home, as well as damages to others' property. For example, if there's a fire in your apartment that damages your neighbor's apartment, or if someone slips and falls in your apartment and sues you, renter's insurance can help cover legal fees and any settlement you have to pay up to the policy limit. Some renter's insurance may also pay if your dog bites someone, so if you have a pet, make sure to check that it is covered. If your rental unit becomes uninhabitable due to something covered in the policy, like a fire, the additional living expenses part of renter's insurance helps pay for hotel bills, restaurant meals, and certain other costs while your home is being repaired. While it isn't a legal requirement, some landlords require tenants to have renter's insurance before handing over the keys. What is not covered by renter's insurance? High-value items like jewelry, collectibles, and expensive electronics may have limited coverage unless you purchase an add-on specifically for it. In addition, damages caused by floods or earthquakes are typically not covered under standard renter's insurance policies, but you can buy separate policies for these risks. Mold, pest infestations, or damage due to the tenant's own negligence are not covered. Lastly, damage to the building itself is not covered by renter's insurance, but the landlord's insurance policy would cover this. Do I need renter's insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.